A must-do in Mauritius. First, a guided tour of the Bois Chéri Tea Factory, followed by a tasting of a wide range of Bois Chéri teas amidst a stunning setting and animals such as deer, monkeys, and wild pigs. And the best for last, a visit to the shop where Shimla welcomes you and offers advice with her smile and kindness. You can also sample Saint Aubon rum. We were very happy with our tour. We had a very nice driver who took us to everything we wanted to see. We were given plenty of time, and the driver catered to our every need. The tea factory and tasting were excellent, and the waterfalls and the 7-colored earths were breathtaking. We highly recommend this excursion. Unforgettable day with Manu, the guide. He was so kind and have a lot of information about the South. Highly recommended. Wish you all the best to complete your study. And the restaurant was so delicious. We tried the chicken curry, the fish salad as a starter, and vanilla ice cream. Highly recommended. It was so good. We would like to thank AGD for being such a wonderful tour guide. He was extremely patient when our activity ran over time due to December busy period. He was very knowledgeable and informative. Thank you, AGD. A fantastic tour where the tourer catered to our individual needs. He provided fascinating background information and personal opinions. The driver was superb. I highly recommend him. A lovely place with a tea factory to visit, followed by a tasting. Note that it's closed on Saturdays and Sundays. A very friendly welcome and a pleasant tasting experience. Great tour. David is a very good guide. Respectful, kind, and he knows his island very well. He even surprised us at the end by taking us to an unexpected viewpoint. Smile. Our driver was perfectly punctual. He showed us all the sights and was very polite and attentive. A private tour of the highest standard.